Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will share with you my little secret. I constantly get asked from you guys what I do for my skin, how I take care of my skin, my skincare routine, and today I'm gonna reveal just that with you guys. A game changer in my skincare routine. My channel is mainly focused around luxury fashion and lifestyle, but as you know, from time to time I do like to share some new beauty products that I also discover. Luxury isn't just about what we wear, it's about how we care for ourselves. And when it comes to skincare, the line between beauty and technology is becoming beautifully blurred. This is the Ulike ReGlow LED mask, a next generation beauty device I have been testing, and it might just be the most elegant skincare tech I've added to my skincare routine this year. The Ulike ReGlow LED mask is an advanced at-home therapy device featuring 4-in-1 skin renewal technology, crafted to deliver professional grade skincare results. It is also developed with insights from Michael R. Hamblin, the father of modern light therapy, and it's also backed by FDA clearance and SGS testing. As I mentioned, you get 4 targeted skincare treatments with this mask, which eliminates the need for multiple devices. And here are the 4 therapy modes. You have the glow mode, the firm mode, the rejuvenate mode, and the clear mode. You get everything in a single mask: firm and lift, brighten and glow, acne control, natural radiance. Ulike is a familiar brand to me because I already own some of their other devices, but this is a brand new release that I wanted to mention. But if you're not familiar with Ulike, they have spent over a decade pioneering at-home beauty technology, starting with IPL hair removal and redefining the industry with cutting-edge skin protection. Now they're taking their expertise beyond hair removal, expanding into advanced beauty solutions that elevate skincare routines. I have been using this new LED mask for a bit over a month now, regularly, and what I love the most is how seamlessly it fits into a luxury lifestyle. It is so easy to use this while I'm doing my emails, sipping tea. It is lightweight and also wireless. It's self-care that adapts to you. You only have a remote to control the different settings, which I will show you how to do in a bit. I will be completely honest with you. When it comes to skincare tech, I'm always very skeptical. I need more than just a beautiful device, because this does look very sleek, right? The Ulike ReGlow LED mask has completely changed the game for me, because I have actually seen results in less than a month. Yes, I know it's been only a couple of weeks. I've been mainly using it in the evenings before I go to sleep. I incorporate this with my evening skincare routine, and I can say this has very quickly become my most luxurious and effective step in my routine. So I will show you exactly where and when you're supposed to use your LED mask. First, you cleanse your skin, then you tone it, then you apply your serum, and then it's time to enjoy your light therapy. After that, you can use either a mask or apply the rest of your skincare, a lotion or a cream. I would use it at least 5 times a week, with sessions lasting 8 to 10 minutes, but you can also increase them to 20 minutes. However, it's not recommended to do more than 40. Just make sure your skin is thoroughly cleansed before using this device. And trust me, only after 4 weeks, you will start noticing great results. However, a little note, you should avoid using this if you are on light sensitive medication or if you're currently doing laser. A dermatologist's supervision is recommended if you have extremely sensitive skin. Also, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have any open wounds, you should avoid using the mask. Also, when I first got my device, I didn't start using it on my face straight away. I did a sensitivity test on my arm, but you do get a full booklet with instructions how to use it, when to avoid using it, in your package. It comes beautifully packaged as well. This LED mask really feels like my at-home spa ritual. And after a long day of filming, events, or just the usual hustle, I have one non-negotiable, my evening wind down ritual. It's my way of reconnecting, recharging, and of course giving my skin some love. And this is where the Ulike ReGlow LED mask comes in. The fit is so sleek, lightweight, and completely hands-free, so I can slip into a moment of calm with zero effort. Unlike some other LED devices that I've tried in the past, this one actually works. And what makes it so different from all the other competitors out there on the market currently is that it is 4-in-1. It has 4 different lights, so we have blue, yellow, infrared, red, and it basically targets everything from dullness to fine lines, irritation, acne. So I have a little chart here on my phone, and I will also insert a picture so you can see as well. So the blue light controls oils and helps fight acne. The yellow light revitalizes and brightens your skin. Red light is great for stimulating collagen production, and we have the infrared light that supports skin renewal and healing. LED therapy offers multiple skin benefits, and you can not only use it on your face, you can use it on your back, on your chest, on your neck, on your hands, basically anywhere you need skin rejuvenation or anti-aging benefits, or if you want to plump up your skin. However, it should not be used on the eyes. And that's another thing I love about this mask. It has an eye-friendly shield. Unlike many of the competitors, with this LED mask, you don't get any glare, it's gentle on the eyes, and it is more comfortable. It has an airtight seal that keeps the light where it belongs, and it really protects your eyes like sunglasses. Also, you do get an optimized 1 centimeter spacing, which minimizes heat buildup, irritation, and also hygiene concerns. Your skin deserves a breathing room, and with this LED mask, you don't feel that you're suffocating, you don't feel any tightness at all. It does also have a 3D ergonomic design. It has a very secure snug fit that ensures the device stays in place while delivering precise light therapy. What makes this mask stand out is also how advanced the tech is, and also how effortless it is to use at the same time. As I said, it is wireless, and you just hold this button, press it down, and then it lights up. Then you press again, and you can change the different settings and choose your preferred light. It will automatically switch off, but also to switch it off yourself, you can press again and hold, and it turns off. I have been mainly using red light that boosts collagen and smooths fine lines. Also, sometimes when I do get a blemish, I like to use the blue light. You might be asking, what about results? I have noticed more even tone, fewer breakouts, and this lit from within clarity that I know my camera can pick up, but so does my mirror. I can definitely see the results in my mirror as well. My skin has never looked better. So radiant as well. Believe it or not, I'm not even wearing foundation today. I only have concealer under my eyes, which I've set with powder, and I do have bronzer. That's it. Oh, and some blush and highlighter, a little bit of highlighter. But my skin is already so glowy and healthy looking without any foundation. I've stopped wearing foundation for weeks now. My skin just feels healthier. It has that glow from within that doesn't come from a highlighter, but from consistency and care. This is wearable luxury in my opinion. It doesn't feel like a chore. It's part of my skincare routine now. I'm not someone who sticks with trends for the sake of it. But when something earns a permanent spot in my skincare lineup, it means it's working. And the Ulike ReGlow mask is one of those finds. It's certified safe, no gimmicks, just a real tech that supports real results. It is the complete skincare solution that everyone needs. It is 4-in-1, unlike many of the other LED masks on the market currently. It also offers full face coverage that's also very unique. As you can see, it has a highly reflective inner surface that acts like a mirror, and this surface captures and redirects light emitted from the LEDs, amplifying the light radiance by 77.4% compared to direct exposure. This means the device evenly distributes the light across the face for optimal results. The Ulike ReGlow is equipped with a groundbreaking 272 professional grade LEDs, twice the number found in standard LED masks. Can you believe that? And this advanced setup delivers faster, more powerful results, helping to significantly reduce redness and clear acne in just 2 weeks, while smoothing wrinkles and revealing a youthful, radiant complexion in as little as 4 weeks. It has 4 high-performance LEDs per slot, combining the benefits of red, yellow, blue and infrared light therapies to target a wide range of skin concerns. So if you're looking to elevate your skincare with a piece of luxury tech, this is a device that lives up to the hype, and you might want to try this one out. My skin is seriously thanking me for finding this device. I get salon-like results from the comfort of my own home. With a quick 8 to 10 minute session, I need a quick glow up, emergency skin recovery. A quick LED session is all it takes to look fresh again. This gives me real skin confidence. No more filters, but also the key is to be consistent. So as you have probably learned by now, not all LED masks are created equal, and I have finally found the one that delivers luxury and results. If you're looking to elevate your skincare with real science-backed results, this just might be your new obsession, and I do have a discount code for you guys, which I'll leave here on the screen, and all the information and link to shop this amazing LED mask will be also in the description box. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope today's video was informative and you enjoyed it. I really wanted to share my little secret and new obsession that has really made my routine a lot more enjoyable. It has really awakened my beauty and confidence, and I'm so proud of my skin right now. Let me know if you decide to try it as well. I would love to hear your results as well. Comment down below or DM me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!